Big Mac stuffed potato. What a fun way to serve up this iconic dish. With the effin' sharp Santoku knife, we're going to prep up some iceberg lettuce, get that shredded, slice up some fresh tomato, lay the slices on top of each other and cut 1/4 inch slices, turn 180 degrees and repeat that same step, and now you have some diced tomatoes. Repeating the same method with some sandwich pickles. Lay the slices on top of each other, slice them up, turn 180 degrees, and then go ahead and dice your pickles. After slicing a white or sweet onion in half, root end to root end, we're going to go ahead and slice down vertically, then horizontally, and then vertically again to get a nice dice. Special sauce for that burger topping is simply mayo, ketchup, a little garlic and onion powder, some salt and pepper, and we have some nice diced pickles that we just prepped up in there. Let that sit and get all combined. We're going to go ahead and oil up some baked potatoes. We're using russet potatoes here. We're going to go into the air fryer, but first we're going to season them up. Just simply some salt and pepper on the outside will do. And we'll go in the air fryer and we'll go 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. You'll have to check for doneness. We're going to saute up some of those onions, get in that ground beef, season it up, brown it nice and well. When the potatoes are cool enough to handle, slice off the top, go ahead and pull out some of the inside of that potato to make a well, fill it with the ground beef mixture, topped with that classic American cheese, into the air fryer for just a moment to melt it, and top with all your prepped goodies. This is one meal sure to please, and definitely make sure to check out effinsharp.com.